Hey guys, Techus, Reaction Man Lol here today. I hope that you. I'm gonna be doing some videos. When I get my app capture, I'm gonna be doing some some gaming. Today I'm wondering what you would want to do on my phone. My phone's pretty down smashed, but I don't think you can see the cracks. I wanna react. I'm just gonna check my Insta. Follow me, by the way. I've got 182 followers. All of my friends have not got more, because they're shit. So we're not reacting to that, but we're going to go onto YouTube, react to Two Birds, One Stone. Here we go.
Let the people all know. Papa wanna pop at the elegant. Just a little boy wanna play again.
I love this bar. This is my favourite bar. I'm literally not lying. He literally got 8 million views. Okay, play it now.
At the top, you in 666. Double with the flow with the crucifix. Two birds, one stone. Two birds.
That is very true though. That is so true though. It's literally just him versus two stones. He absolutely wrecked Harry and Joe. Oh my gosh, he's a destroyer.
Two birds, one stone. Two birds with the one stone. Tell me how my dick ended up in your main chick. Freezing with the whole double trouble, don't ever say shit. Bouncing in the bed while they swallow up all my brain kids. Popeye and they opposite, hearing them from my cockpit. The music bomb is so lame. Jumping by the kitty, are you brain dead? We don't want to hear another house trap. The music makes me want to pop a Prozac. But you're always on it, especially when your most viewed music.
Now, let me just say something quick. I love the beat. I love it. It's so cool. Oh, continue now.
Has this nigga on it? God damn. Unstable little cunt, don't know what to do. Guess I'll make a good two. Something to promote too. Whispering Joe for hooded bullshit. Who the hell would wanna go buy your book of bullshit? Filming all your dead tunes with Elliot. When we break, you're a legitimate idiot. Winning that you knock me out. Just like Leo, huh? Yeah, blood facing prick wanna beat me, huh? Yeah, begging to Vicky, you gon' beat me, huh? Yeah,
So cool.
the prick, now regret it, huh?
Pop at the elegant. Boy, wanna play again. 666. 666. Birds, one stone. Two birds with one stone. Two birds, one stone. Two birds
with the one stone. Lying to your mama. Yes, I gotta add some kerosene to the drama. When she hears the whole of the verse, she gonna jet. Especially when she hears me tell her that you're doing cat, man. I don't wanna be the type of you blurring out all your business. All the time and passion when you pay for that BJ. Then the prosy proves your dick. Now you're scared of them BJs. Now you're getting pegged. Got these little kids looking up the shit I said.
It's so good that I've literally watched it like 5 times. Watch the reaction. Oh no, no! No, it's that guy who robbed Harry! Oh no! That guy who robbed W2S's money on that website! Oh my! Harry, you just got roasted! Oh my gosh, that's a great bar.